Have you had any experiences around these things, in terms of teacher development? Yeah.
Yeah. So initially what we were doing, I think most
And
schools
especially in early years.
early years, yes. So initially we were also doing, like, when we organize a teachers workshop, we do it for everyone.
Right.
So what happens is now like I have at least 20-30% of teachers who are there from day one with me. Now they have attended so many workshops over the years. Especially we follow multiple intelligence, so we've been doing lot of workshops on that. Now those teachers are very, very thorough about it. You can't expect them to keep attending those workshops. So I think when you give that individual attention to children, why can't we give that individual attention to teachers also, on their needs, on their knowledge, on their experience? So one thing is, I think professional development now has to get a little more individualized based on what teacher first herself really wants to learn. Second, what skills she needs to develop. So what we can do is, I got this idea from one of the principals I met, and she said, why don't you have your teachers who've done multiple intelligence workshop for so many years do it for other teachers? So that's how it gets transferred from one teacher to another, and it becomes, you are making the teacher who is so loyal to you for so many years, you're making them feel valued, because they are sharing now, they feel like a leader themselves. And I think that has also help us retain them for long. Secondly, I think sometimes workshops have also happens like overdone. So then this year we started with something called one-on-one mentoring for teachers, and mentors are no one but teachers among themselves only. And my idea was to get them more responsible for their own learning. Now school leaders will keep sharing reading articles, books, everything with teachers, but unless the teacher wants to really learn or work on her skills, how it doesn't make any sense if you are just sharing it. So what we did was, we actually did like a chits. We wrote every teacher's name. You come pick up. They become mentors of each other. And first term, they will first discuss with each other what are their strengths, okay, and what are the areas that they feel they want to work first. And it need not be related completely to teaching. It could be communication, it could be improving my English, improving my vocabulary. But if you actually see, everything can be used in the classroom. And this way they give each other tasks, so they become mentors for each other.